cái bài cho bà. Tôi bao mau lên kìa, tôi đi đi.
Nhanh nhở.
Thì gần nhà mình mà. Nhưng mà không đi xe máy được tại vì mình nhiều đồ á, nhiều người á. Nên là phải gọi taxi mà.
Đưa em ơi. Rồi em sorry.
Hey guys, I know you haven't seen much from my Hanoi vlog, but that's because my health deteriorated. My aunt even wanted to cancel our trip to Lào Cai, but I persuaded her that I was doing fine and I really wanted to go. We embarked on a long journey in a bus, which was comfy thanks to the cushions that they had. But let's talk about Lào Cai, a city located in northwest Vietnam, a place where my father grew up. I would compare Lào Cai to Viet Chi. There is not a lot of things to do. However, the location is the key here because it's close to the border, so you can easily go to China, and it's also close to the mountains. So after a compulsory circle of family visits and dinners, we went on a walk to the borders, and I must say it was quite tempting to cross them actually. After a few days spent in Lào Cai at my aunt's place, we decided to go to a flower city called Sapa. Our first stop was nothing but the highest mountain Fansipan. It was sunny, but the sky was full of clouds. You can probably imagine what kind of view we got. They just opened the cable car and it was recorded as the longest non-stop cable car in the Guinness World of Records. And since my family is not of a hiking type and my immune system was still weak, we hopped onto it and we were rewarded with a really nice view of the mountains and lowlands. Well, that was just before the fog covered us. Once we got off the cable car, we had to walk a lot of stairs until we reached the top. They made a temple in the midway and the whole area was still being built at the time we visited, so you could see workers building gates as we were passing by. Well, we couldn't resist but to wave the Vietnamese flag at the top. Since we couldn't see anything, we decided to go to another location, and my aunt actually got a really great idea to ask the indigenous bikers. And I love rides, but this one was quite scary. At one point I felt like being in Fast and Furious, and my sister even lost her head. We arrived safe and sound to the Silver Waterfalls, and I slipped and hurt my butt. We also visited a local market which is famous for those indigenous tribes like flower mugs, and all the products that they are selling are homemade, and I know it's their way to earn money, but I don't like when they use kids to do so. My cousin felt so sorry for them that she started to cry. Basically, they just took advantage of her. When they saw her giving the kids money, they sent even more of their kids to her. The next day we went to a flower garden where you can find all the statues of Chinese zodiac and a lot of flowers, of course. A really place to be when you are allergic to pollen, right? But I would be really lying if I said that I didn't enjoy it. Well, I hope you liked the video because it took me 4 years to finally release it. If you do like it, give it a thumbs up and also do not forget to leave a comment in the section below. Okay guys, that's it for today. I will see you soon.